Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you, right? You're good.
Oh, no.
Today I'll be breaking down a recent shooting from Los Angeles where felon and gang member Richard Mendoza came in contact with members of the Los Angeles Police Department. The officers were clearly familiar with him due to, one, the details from the debrief that came down from the command staff and also from the verbiage that was exchanged between the officer and the suspect, where she demonstrated that she was aware of his probationary status. Let's watch the video and I'll be back with a few comments.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Good? Haven't seen you in a while. Still on probation?
9 more months, ma'am.
What?
9 more months, not discharged.
You just discharged?
No, 9 more months.
Oh, 9 more months.
And I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you, right? You're good.
Oh, no. Help, shot fired. Please help, shot fired. Noble, South the plumber.
Oh my God.
Are you okay?
All units, officer needs help. Noble, South of Plumber.
Where'd you get hit?
In my left leg.
Okay. You're going to be okay?
My left leg.
I hear you. You're coming.
Oh my God.
I got you.
It's burning.
He's down.
It's burning. Just get him.
Response to the help call. Noble, South of Plumber.
Get an ambulance.
Give me now and rolling now. For my partner, hitting the leg.
Fighting. 1984, the conscious or reading?
19x84. I need an ambulance for myself.
1990.
Okay, we're back. For anyone out there who ever questions or wonders why an officer feels the need to control every aspect of a police stop, I've mentioned this on previous videos, but if you ever wonder why an officer feels the need to be in so much control, let this be a prime example. Whenever an officer conducts a car stop, they have no idea as to the intentions of the individual in the vehicle. It can be an average everyday person on their way to the store, on their way to take their kids to school, or it could be an ex-felon gang member who has ill intention and who plans on bringing harm or doing harm to the officers. So if you were ever stopped by a police officer, make sure that you keep your hands visible. Just a few suggestions. Make sure you keep your hands visible. Don't make any sudden or quick moves, and communicate with the officer anytime you decide to reach for something, whether it be your wallet, registration, your proof of insurance, whatever you choose to do, whatever you're about to do, make sure you keep the officer aware of what you're planning on doing. By doing so, you create a safer environment for everyone involved. Now I'm going to show you some footage from the contact officer's perspective.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Good? Haven't seen you in a while. Still on probation?
9 more months, ma'am.
What?
9 more months, not discharged.
You just discharged?
No, 9 more months.
Oh, 9 more months.
And I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you, right? You're good.
Oh, no, I'm just saying.
help, shots fired. Please help, shots fired. Global, south of plumber.
Oh my
Are
God.
you okay?
Where'd you get hit?
In my left leg.
Okay. You're gonna be
My
okay?
left leg.
I hope you guys noticed, and if necessary, go back and watch it again. I hope you guys were paying attention to his demeanor, his tone. He was completely compliant. He gave no clue as to his ultimate intentions. These are some of the many things that officers need to be aware of when they're making a stop, when they're conducting a stop. People can be deceptive, attempting to lull the officers into a false sense of security in order for them to let their guard down so they can do what it is that they want to do. So be mindful of that in every situation. Always be respectful, especially when the person is being respectful back to you. But always keep in the back of your mind that there's a potential risk for things to escalate very quickly.
Turn off the car.
Huh?
Turn off the car.
How you doing?
Doing good?
Good? Haven't seen you in a while. Still on probation?
9 more months, man.
What?
9 more months, not discharged.
You just discharged?
No, 9 more months.
Oh, 9 more months.
And I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you, right?
Now, the reason I'm emphasizing these aspects, body language, demeanor, is because on some of the more recent shootings, people have always asked the question, well, why did the officer shoot him? He didn't give any intention that he was attempting to harm the officer. I say that because not everyone who's thinking of killing someone or trying to kill someone gives off an air that he's about to do so. You have some very deceptive, very evil individuals out there in this world. And I'm convinced that Mendoza was very aware of what his intentions were. Now, the last point I want to address is the speed of the incident. From the time Mendoza's foot touched the ground to where the final shot was fired was approximately 6 seconds. The entire gun battle took place in the space of about 6 seconds. Oftentimes when we're watching videos and movies in Hollywood and these long, extended gun battles, now it's not to say that long, extended gunfights never take place, but the vast majority of them happen very quickly. We should just be thankful that the cover officer was effectively doing his job. He was aware of the actions of the suspect, aware of his surroundings, and when the situation escalated, he responded with the appropriate amount of force. With that, I'm going to bring the video to a close. Thanks for joining me again today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell before you roll out of here. And in the meantime, stay safe, God bless, and make sure you join the conversation.